Hey, Susan, this is storage. I had another customer report to me that they backed into your RV here.
Hey everybody, I'm Mike.
And I'm Susan.
And we are RVBlogger. And unlike most of our videos, I'm holding the camera today. So if it goes a little wonky, it's on me, not Susan, just to let everybody know.
And I'm standing on your toolbox.
Otherwise,
I'd be down there.
Yeah, we can't get in the shot together. It's very interesting. But anyway, we're here doing a shakedown trip with our new Class A RV. And we also brought our Jeep with us. And so it's been a really cool experience.
Yes.
Towing the Jeep behind us.
That's brand new to us.
Yeah, you know, figuring out the tow bar situation, how to tow the Jeep, the brake pedal situation. So, you know, it's been a lot of learning.
Right. I mean, we've been taking a lot of weekend and extended weekend trips so we can learn the components of the A, the slide outs, the jacks. I mean, we have so much to learn that we are...
Yeah. I feel like we're RV newbies all over again because the learning curve on this thing has been pretty steep. I mean, there's been a lot to learn, and every single day we learn something new. We couldn't even find the WineGuard password for a long time until we found the little sticker on the wall behind the seatbelt.
Yes.
Like, you know, just crazy stuff that we've been learning as we go along. So it's been fun.
But it's been fun.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm glad that we took the time to make shorter trips, not far from home.
Yeah.
So we have that comfort and safety, and that's what we always recommend to you guys. And, you know, when you buy an RV is don't travel too far from home in the beginning, just in case something were to go catastrophic.
Absolutely.
You have the safety of just being at home.
Yeah, because all my tools are there. We can do our research. We have good internet at home all the time. I know where the Home Depot is. We've already parked in the parking lot of a Home Depot to fix some things because it's easy to park in the parking lot and then run into Home Depot 10 times
to get a new tool
if you need a part or a tool or whatever. So, you know, it's been great. It's been a lot of learning. And but you know, we also had a little problem with our RV too. Right.
Well, and that just brings us to this video is because we cannot park it at home, we have to keep it in a storage facility.
Right. We can't park it in our driveway. We can't even park it in front of our house. So we keep it at one of the national well-known storage
safe
facilities.
Storage facilities.
It's got a 6-foot fence around it. It's lighted. It's got
a keypad
cameras
to get in.
It's got a manager there every day. You know, so it's safe, and it's only 10 minutes from our house, which is great. So that works for us to be able to keep it somewhere safe but local. Right. And you know, and then we can do our shakedown trips, and then we'll do our we'll be taking off pretty soon and doing some much longer trips once we're more confident. Right. So.
But now we've learned that you don't have to be on the road for your RV to be in an accident.
Yeah. You don't even have to be in your RV. No. So let's take a look at what happened to
you heard from our voicemail. We had to hop in the Jeep and head on over and check it out.
Well, that's one phone call you never want to get. Well, we're going to head on over and check out the damage on the motorhome. You know, the manager at the storage facility said that the person that hit it said the damage was pretty minor. I don't know what the heck we're going to find. All I know is we're supposed to leave in a couple days, and I'm not sure we're going to be able to.
If it's going to be road ready, you know, whether it's done some damage that will prevent it from leaving.
Yeah. So the manager did mention that the guy that hit our RV did leave a note on our RV. Now, of course, it rained last night, so I don't even know if the note's going to be there. Or if we'll be able to read it at all. So I'm really hoping that the manager knows who the guy is because he does keep his vehicle at the storage facility too. You know, he owned up to it, so thank you. Yeah. So just thinking out loud a little bit, like I don't even know where we would get RV repairs made. Right. I know
it's not a small car.
Yeah.
Or even a large truck.
And it's not like a car that you could take to a body shop or something and get it fixed. Most body shop places probably aren't used to working on RVs.
having not seen or know what the damage is yet, we don't know how easy it is going to get repaired, and if it's going to require special service or how long. My gosh, right.
I mean, I had a buddy that had his, Billy across the street wrecked his truck. They had his truck for over a month.
Right, because there were parts shortages and things like that. And, you know, we're supposed to be taking off soon for several months. And so, you know, we certainly can't afford to, you know, miss that opportunity. And so being able to find a place that can fix it is going to be extremely important.
Yeah. I'm also wondering about, you know, the insurance aspect of this. Like, do we need to call our insurance company and report the accident, or do we just deal with whoever hit us, their insurance company? Because they have to make the repair.
Let's hope it's them, not us.
Because if we have to call our insurance company, I know they're going to want to raise our rates. Well, I think they will. I don't know for sure, but I'm going to guess that if our RV is involved in an accident, they're going to want to raise our rates. And that doesn't seem right.
Right.
So I'm hoping we can avoid ever telling our insurance company, but I also know we need to do the right thing, and so we need to figure out what that's going to be.
Right. And I know right now we have a lot of thoughts going through our head because we don't know how bad the damage is. So, you know, we've got a lot of thoughts from, you know, being able to take us off the road, or how difficult to get repaired, or any out-of-pocket expenses we might incur. So, you know, our thoughts are a little jambled and
we're imagining the worst.
Right, yeah, we're thinking worst case scenario, but I guess we have to look at this as glass half full instead, maybe.
I don't know.
You know.
Well, we'll hope for the best.
When life hands you lemons, you make lemonade.
Right.
So, we're about ready to pull in now, and we'll check it out and keep you posted. So we're at the storage facility, and as you can see, there are tons of RVs, boats, commercial vehicles. It's a great storage facility. But
there's our RV.
There she is.
I wonder if this truck backed into it, or if that Ryder truck hit it.
Right.
The front looks okay.
Yeah, no damage to the windshield. I don't think the headlights.
No, that all looks fine.
Right.
The side looks okay.
Yep.
I don't see anything.
Yep, don't see anything. So far, so good. We do have to get out and
maybe it's
get a good look at it.
Might hit the back of it. That looks okay.
Good. Yeah.
Oh, there's the note. Survived the rain.
Oh, so far, let's see if we can read
see
the
if
writing.
the writing's on there.
All right. Here's the note.
So sorry, backed up a little too much. Please call me. I can get it fixed. I don't think so.
Backed up a little too much.
I think we'll go get it fixed through our insurance company. Not real happy about duct tape on my RV, I'll tell you that. But it's not bad. All right, well, here's the dent. This is not as bad as I had pictured.
Oh my gosh, no, it's not.
It's just this door got nailed pretty good. So that's all dented
what
in.
A relief.
And then the trim, that's just the trim for the slide out, it looks like.
Right.
That's it.
Yeah.
But that's a big piece of trim.
Yeah, I would imagine they have to replace the whole length of that.
Yeah, but I mean, where are you going to order a piece of trim that's 20 feet long?
From Thor.
I guess.
Yeah.
I guess they can ship it. Maybe it's more than one piece. I don't know.
And then there's this dent down the door.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well.
Let's make sure the door opens okay. Yeah, it does.
All right.
And it closes okay.
All right.
So we're good. At least we can use it while we're waiting to get repairs done.
Right, and it's not going to affect the slide.
Right. It's just a little dent.
It's just,
just a little ding.
Superficial.
Well, I guess at this point we'll just go ahead and talk to the manager.
Right.
And get the guy's information. We've got his name and phone number on here. I just want to verify it with the manager and see if they have any information that we need. And then I guess we'll start calling insurance companies.
Yep.
Sounds like fun. So we just talked to the manager real quickly, and he said they don't really get involved when the person who creates the accident comes forward, which this guy did. So
Right. And he gets involved in the hit and runs.
Yeah. So I guess at this point, we'll give him a call, get his insurance information, and kind of get the process started that way.
Yep.
Luckily, it's not that bad of damage, so
I'm so relieved.
I am too, man.
I mean,
'Cause
you get that phone call and your gut sinks. It's just like you don't know what to expect. And
Yeah.
you know, if this would have happened to the Class C, we would have been like, don't worry about it. It's 14 years old. You just add it to the rest of the dents and dings. But you know, when it's your brand new baby,
Yeah, you want to get it fixed.
and you don't want to be off the road, you've got plans, and it's affecting your plans, it becomes a scarier problem. So we'll keep you posted.
Whew, it is hot as blazes out here today. I mean, I am sweating through my shirt. Camping in Maryland, hot and humid sometimes.
Right.
Sometimes it's beautiful too, though. But
Yeah.
today
Yes.
it's a hot, humid one.
Yeah, we have too much humidity. That's our problem.
Definitely.
It's not a dry heat.
No, it's not. But anyway, so, well, we learned a few things, and
Yeah, we were able to contact the fella that hit us.
Yep.
And his insurance company.
Yep.
You know, and we got a lot of our questions answered.
we did. So one of my questions to the insurance company was, hey, do I need to call our own insurance company and report the accident? Because I know if I do, they're going to raise our rates. And the insurance agent from the other company said, no, you don't have to do that because we'll handle the entire claim. And yes, they will raise your rates. So you can just
Not
deal
gonna
with
do
us,
that.
and that's fine.
Right.
The other big question we had is if, do we have to file a police report?
Right.
And so the agent informed me, no, you don't have to file a police report. I think the only time they would do that is if somebody got hurt, or they have to find fault in a traffic type situation, or if somebody's not being cooperative.
Right.
And we don't have any of
don't
that
have any of that,
situation going
no.
on. No one got hurt, and the guy's very
Right.
cooperative that hit our RV, and no problems there.
Right, right.
And so we spoke to the appraiser, and he's going to come out and take pictures and look at everything. And then he said that we actually get to choose where
Right.
we would like to have the work done, which I don't know where that's going to be. But
I'm glad we get to choose.
Yeah, at least
you
we
know,
can-
because at least we can find somebody that we feel comfortable with.
Yeah.
And not be forced to work with a shop that they deal with.
Right. We can call like our local dealer, Leo's RV. We can call those guys
Right.
and get some advice on where to go.
Right.
And I'm sure they'll take us in the right direction.
Right.
Then it's just a matter of hopefully getting parts, because it looks like we just need a new door panel, and I think that they are pre-painted before they install them
hoping.
on the RV, because the paint lines, like on a custom paint job, they don't exactly match
Right.
up.
You've got all
Same
the
thing on this trim
striping.
piece.
Yeah.
The lines don't match up exactly. They're just a little
Right.
off, which kind of lets me know that it's probably not painted after this is installed. It's probably painted before. So hopefully we can just order the piece, and these will be easy things for the body shop to install.
Right.
And then we just have to caulk them all in real well and make sure
Right.
we're watertight.
Right.
And but
Right.
we don't know where that's going to be or how hard that's
Yeah.
going to be. So I guess we'll just.
But we will definitely keep you posted on our journey, of
Yeah.
course, because, we don't know if it's going to be something we can take care of before we hit the road, and we're probably not going to be able to.
Nah.
So it's going to be, a couple
Probably
months
order the
from now,
parts,
maybe.
wait 6 months, and then get it done sometime later.
But we definitely want to keep you informed of what happens, because hopefully this never happens to you, but in the event that it does,
Yeah.
you'll have our experience to fall back on.
Yeah. And also kudos to Susan, because holding this camera, it gets heavy fast.
And I usually have a gimbal
I know.
with all kinds of gear.
It's like a workout. Oh
Yes.
my gosh. Ugh. Well,
Yeah.
anyway, we'll keep you guys posted on how the whole repair works out.
Yes.
And if you want to see the whole entire tour of the RV, just click the box on your screen.
Right,
And
right.
then-
We'll
and
put
then-
that up there, and you can take a tour of our RV.
Yeah, we go inside and outside all around it, and we're super happy with it. We hope you want to check it out too.
Yes.
Maybe we'll see you in the next video.